Tasha.
I'm Bernard Ko.
Nama saya Tengku Alhizan. Ni anak saya Putra Arsyad.
I was just itching everywhere and I just could not stop scratching. You know, at the end of the day, you feel so ugly.
When I stand under the sun, right, people will ask me, why your face so red? Allergic or what? I'm like, something like allergic.
Susah nak tidur? But you're not crying, kan? Cuma you rasa?
Gatal.
So, I kena explain dengan cikgu, cuci tangan without sabun untuk anak I saja. Sebab sabun kat sekolah tu yang berwangi tu, it's not good for him. Nanti semua merah kat sini.
Eczema is a skin condition that's very itchy, usually accompanied with redness and inflammation of the skin, and sometimes the skin is very dry until it cracks.
And it's product Y.
Produk Y
Is why.
Kenapa Arsyad suka Y?
Tak melekit, tak gatal dah.
Product Y, it's a really lightweight product and I really love it. I don't know what is that, but then it's really moisturized. I don't even apply toner, serum or what else.
You know, after prolonged use of product Y, my skin's been moisturized, period. I'll give you a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Bio oil.
So the best way to provide eczema relief is actually to use a moisturizer that is oil-based that will replenish the oily layer on the skin and protect the skin, keeping the skin moisturized throughout the day.
Yeah, I'd say a little goes a long way because even a little drop, like, you see how shiny that is?